Hey, what's going on, everybody? John V here, back with a brand new video. Just came to surprise my boy with some eliminator, and I'm gonna get some footage for you guys just to show you guys exactly what is going on here. So here's my friend's setup, and he already did the driveway today, and now he's just doing a little house wash real quick. So as you guys can see here, he tried to remove this oil stain, but it didn't come up. So I'm just gonna show you guys real quick, you know, how he washes the house, and hope you guys enjoy this.
I actually came out here for a driveway cleaning, and the customer came home and was like, hey, how much for the house? So it was an upsell, you know.
Okay.
Make some more money while I'm here, you know what I'm saying?
What's your method of cleaning house?
This one wasn't that bad, so I'm downstreaming it.
Okay.
I do have a super sucker downstream injector, so it's putting out like 3%. Which is perfect for Stucco.
So you're just laying it on there and then letting it sit?
Letting it do its thing, man. It's not that bad. I mean, the side was a little worse, but the front's not that bad. So it's coming up pretty good, as you see.
And what do you got there?
Just a Sutner gun with a short lance. Got a shooter tip.
Is that the assassin tip?
No, that's the David shooter tip.
Oh, okay.
And then I got my, basically my whole J-Rod set up.
Nice.
Makes it easy to see.
All right, so all he's doing is he's got a downstream injector in his van and just spraying on a 3% mix on the house, letting it sit. And he probably did this house in about 20 minutes max with the driveway. You know, so how he got this job was they just got a brand new roof, and he had a relationship with the guy who installed the roof, and he because of all the roof shingles, like the sediment was all over the driveway, he came out here and did a driveway, and he recommended, hey, let me do the house as well. So if he would have known that could have done the house, he would have done that first and then the driveway, but everything's looking good. All right, so here's the finished product. Everything's looking real good. Just doing a little rinse. On to the next one. Let me show you all this setup real quick. Got a nice big surface cleaner. Big hose.